QVP21st.org. Develop from learning at a curriculum for the future. Registration is now open. At QVP 21st Century Youth Elevation and Inspiration, we want to provide a way that you can develop talent and hidden abilities through learning. They can be added attributes to boost your professional profile, your resume. The sky is the limit in any industry or corporation of your choice. You can be a photographer for on-site investigations, or for a periodical or an e-magazine. You can become a web developer, or even produce podcasts for your clients. Just think, you can take your skills farther and even serve your community and beyond. So, early enrollment, you can save 33% off the regular enrollment fee. Act now. To start the first part of the curriculum, it's only $97.50. You can visit www.qvp21st.org/donations, where you can find out how to enroll. Or feel free to call us at 754-281-8026. Take advantage of our early registration discount no later than May 24th of 2024. Take out your phones and go ahead and scan the QR barcode there that you see. It will direct you where your dreams can begin. Fill out the registration form, and we'll see you in class.